Hey everybody. So I wanted to come on and answer a question about how essential oils and aromatherapy help with self-care and just a general health and wellness routine. My name is RENÉE Hughes. I am a holistic practitioner. I am a certified aromatherapist and a certified natural health consultant. And in my practice, I focus on helping folks to manage chronic pain, whether that be physical or emotional pain. And so what I wanted to do today is just kind of explain to you how aromatherapy and essential oils really work. They're really popular and powerful. A lot of people love them, and so I just wanted to give you some basic information on how all this works. So essential oils, most of us know that they enter our system several different ways through the olfactory bulb. It affects our central nervous system, limbic system, amygdala, hypothalamus, all parts of our brain. It affects our emotions. It affects uh, hormonal behavior. There's so many positive effects that happen when we get these plants into our system. What's great too is essential oils actually nourish the bloodstream. They get into the bloodstream and they nourish our body and our body systems via the lungs and the bloodstream. They get to our bloodstream through the capillaries of our body and through the lungs. And they're just a great way to service our body and help it to kind of do the things that it was designed to do when things get a little wacky and out of balance. It's a great way to introduce or to level up your plant-based routine. Here are some things specific to how essential oils and aromatherapy help you with your self-care routine, help you with your health and wellness. One is by helping you to get good quality sleep. So some of us may be kind of sleeping off and on. We're not getting a full 8 hours is what I love for my clients to have of good quality sleep. And so the way that you get good quality sleep is that you not only just work, and do, and just crash, and then you go to sleep for the night. Instead, when you're practicing self care, and most of you maybe take some time throughout the day, which is the best way to kind of unplug, maybe when you're stretching, maybe doing some Pilates, maybe doing some breathing exercises, essential oils, or tapping, some of you do. Essential oils are a fantastic way to add to that, to really deepen the effect of those relaxing times. When you have times throughout the day that you relax like that, you sleep better at night. So you don't want to save all of your rest time into night. You know, people have the saying, we'll sleep when we're dead, or, I'll rest when I sleep. That's not the best way to take care of your body. You really want to have some break times throughout the day, throughout the week, throughout the month, to really help to get your body to the best balance that it can possibly be. And essential oils help you to do that. Certain ones are particularly good for relaxation because they are central nervous system sedatives. Others are really great for motivation because they are central nervous system uplifting essential oils. So if focus is a problem, if motivation is a problem, there are specific oils and blends that can be used to help to trigger a different mindset in taking different action. And so that's another way essential oils work. And let me just grab my notes because I want to make sure that I tell you everything I set out to tell you today. Um, Here's one of the last things I'm going to leave you with. It's also great with decreasing discomfort. So when you think about self-care, oftentimes you're thinking about feeling better in general, right? But if you're having cold or flu, or you're having nausea, or you're having some type of pain throughout your body, it's going to keep you from wanting to exercise. It's going to keep you from taking the time to do your self-care because maybe you're feeling really overwhelmed and you feel like you don't have time to take care of yourself. It's going to keep you from being productive. It's really going to shift the trajectory of your life. Essential oils can help deal with daily discomforts. So whether it's, in your head, something's not feeling right, your gut is off, your joints are bothering you, essential oils can really help to get rid of those discomforts and get some things out of the way. Also, it's great for replacing toxins. So we have toxin overload, and it's also causing us not to sleep, to be in terrible moods, to be anxious, to be depressed. And so essential oils, not only do they help address those specific things, but they also replace the things in our lives, the toxins that we're taking in, for cleaning, for doing stuff for our hair and our skin. You can use essential oils for all of those things to take away those toxins and kind of get rid of that toxin overload of your body. So that is kind of a quick overview of what aromatherapy does for your body and how it can help you to uplevel your self-care and your health and wellness. If you have questions, send them on over. Happy to answer them. Bye.